Hello, Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, a very warm welcome to all my friends and very good devotees of Lord. Very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Instead, very warm welcome to this YouTube temple of mine. So आज हम थोड़ी सी आरती करेंगे और उसके बाद जो इंग्लिश में हमारा जो नेक्स्ट चैतन्य चरिता अमृत चैतन्य महाप्रभु का जो लेक्चर हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे। चैतन्य चरिता अमृत आदि लीला फर्स्ट चैप्टर सेकंड वर्स पे हम जहाँ से कल छोड़े थे आज वहाँ पर स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो आइए हरे कृष्णा आरती करते हैं और चैतन्य चरितामृत का जो ये लेक्चर है ये हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। फर्स्ट चैप्टर सेकंड वर्स इंग्लिश लेक्चर एंड डोंट वरी मैं जल्दी ही हिंदी में भी करूँगा। अभी 5-7 जो है लेक्चर्स की सीरीज़ होगी इंग्लिश में, फिर आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू डू इट इन हिंदी एज वेल। तो आइए हम आरती से शुरू करते हैं। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी, जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन, यमुना तीर बनचारी, जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय राधा माधव राधे, जय राधा श्याम सुंदर राधे, जय कृष्ण बलराम जय जय कृष्ण बलराम, जय कृष्ण बलराम जय जय कृष्ण बल, जय जय गौरा निताय शिशि गौरा निताय, जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय शीला प्रभुपाद, जय जय गुरुदेव जय जय गुरुदेव। निताई गौर हरि बोल निताई गौरा हरि बोल। जय वैष्णव ठाकुर अमित कुमार कुकुर, जय वैष्णव ठाकुर अमित कुमार कुकुर। निताई गौर हरि बोल निताई गौरा हरि बोल, निताई गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि 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 बोल। जय हो जय हो जय हो जय हो। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य स्तोत्र श्री श्रीमद कृष्ण कृपा मूर्ति अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शील प्रभुपाद की जय। इस्कॉन बीबीटी संस्थापकाचार्य श्री भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य स्तोत्र श्री श्रीमद कृष्ण कृपा श्री मूर्ति शील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर महाराज की, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। नामचार्य शील हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री द्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपिका साम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की जय। वृंदावन मथुरा धाम की जय। नवद्वीप मायापुर धाम की जय। श्री पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की जय। गंगा देवी की जय। यमुना देवी की जय। तुलसी देवी की जय। भक्ति देवी की जय। हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल। आप सभी भक्तों की जय जय जय। शील प्रभुपाद की जय। ऑल ग्लोरीज टू शील प्रभुपाद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरि हरि। तो आइए प्रभु जी, लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑन विथ टुडेज लेक्चर ऑफ श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला फर्स्ट चैप्टर सेकंड वर्स। तो आई ऑफर माय रिस्पेक्टफुल obeisances ऑन Krishna Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda, who are like the sun and moon. They have arisen simultaneously on the horizon of Gauda to dissipate the darkness of ignorance and thus wonderfully bestow benediction upon all. So it is written in Chaitanya Charitamrit Adi Leela first chapter second verse. What does it say? It says Vande Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Sohaditao Gaudadaye Pushpavantao Chitrao Sandao Tamu Nadayo. So we last time it was in Chaitanya Charitamrit Adi Leela first chapter first verse. It said Vande Gurun Isa Bhaktan Isam Ish Avatarkan Tat Prakasam Cha Tat Shakti Krishna Chaitanya Samjanakam. Krishna Chaitanya, Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Krishna Chaitanya means he has got manifold expansion. The first expansion is Prakasha, Swayam Prakasha. Balram and Nityanand is Balram. Brajendra Nandan ye Sachin Sut Hoilo se. Brajendra Nandan ye Sachin Sut Hoilo se. Balram Hoilo Nitai. We have to understand from the Mahajan Narottam Das Thakur. Sometimes some foolish people interpret Nityanand as expansion of Radharani. But this is not the fact. Nityanand is Balram. We have to know from Mahajan. We cannot manufacture our own idea. That is blasphemy, Sahajya, Yatomat Tatapat. These things are not accepted by Mahajan. Mahajan means who follows the previous Mahajan. This is the system. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu strictly followed this principle. Krishna also recommended Evam Parampara Praptam. We have to receive knowledge through the disciplic succession. Mahajan Gata. You cannot manufacture. The concoction has killed the spiritual life of India. You can think any way, I can think in my way. This is not at all scientific. You cannot think 2 plus 2 equal to 3 or 5. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. You cannot think otherwise. People should not think like this. So Nityanand means Prakasha, Swayam Prakash. Balram, I mean to say presenting Krishna. Therefore Balram is Guru Tattva. Guru is a representative of Balram, of Nityanand. Guru Nityanand, because he is exhibiting Krishna. He is presenting Krishna, Prakash. Just like when there is sunshine, you can see everything very correctly. That is called Prakash. In the darkness, everything is covered. At night, we cannot see, but during daytime, when there is Prakash, illumination, then we can see everything. So Nityanand Prabhu is Balram. Balram is Prakash Tattva. He is manifesting Krishna. Balram Hoilo Nitai. So Vande Guru Shri Krishna Chaitanya is the supreme absolute personality of Godhead. And next, Nityananda, or yes, Nityananda is exhibiting him. When Nityananda was preaching in Bengal, he first of all delivered the Jagai and Madhai. That was his first business. He showed how to serve Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shri Krishna Chaitanya means Krishna himself. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna hi anya. Radha Krishna combined together is Shri Krishna Chaitanya, and Nityanand is exhibiting Krishna Chaitanya Deva. So how can one exhibit Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? That is by his personal example. Nityanand Prabhu has given us a lesson. That is by his personal example. Like Nityanand Prabhu, from his personal life, he has teached us by his own example. He has given a lesson. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was sending his devotees to preach, and Nityanand Prabhu was doing that, he used to go with Haridas Thakur to preach on the street, home to home. So when they saw there was a big crowd on the street, so Nityanand Prabhu inquired from the people, why there is so many people assembled? He was informed there are two gundas, means rogues. They are creating some trouble. The gundas, their business is to create trouble. That's all. Every one of us, we know, especially at the present moment, even in Bengal also. Yes, this is due to lack of preaching of Krishna consciousness. Nityanand Prabhu is not given the chance. Nityanand Prabhu is very eager to preach, but he is not given chance. Actually, those who are proud of becoming descendants of Nityanand Prabhu, in Bengal there is a family, they say that they are descendants from Nityanand Prabhu. So apart from controversy, even accepting that they are descendants from Nityanand Prabhu, their business is also to act like Nityanand Prabhu. So that business, what is that business? That is described by Narottam Das Thakur, Mahajan. Mahajan papi tapi yato chilo, Hari naam udhari lo. पापी तापी यतो चिलो, हरि नाम उधारी लो. तारा साक्षी जगाई मधाई. Tara Sakshi Jagai Madai. So this is the business of Nityanand Prabhu along with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vrajendra Nandan yahi Vrajendra Nandan yahi Sachi Sut Hoilo se. Balaram hoilo nitai. So here Krishna Chaitanya and Nityananda, their identification is Lord Krishna and Balaram. Now in the Krishna incarnation, these two brothers were engaged as cowherd boys and friends of the gopis, sons of Mother Yashoda and Nand Maharaj. That is the actual life in Vrindavan. Krishna and Balram, they are village cowherds boy. In Hindi we say it's Gwale, cowherd boys, Gwale. So that is the early history of Krishna and Balram and their another business when they went to Mathura. They killed Kamsa and the wrestlers, and then again when they went to Dwarka, they had to fight with so many demons. But their childhood life up to 16th year, they were in Vrindavan, happy life, simply love. That is Paritranaya Sadhunam, sadhu, devotees. They are always anxious to see Krishna, Balram and their associates. They are always very much aggrieved on account of separation. To give them rejuvenation of life, Krishna Balram play their childhood days in Vrindavan. And out of Vrindavan, beginning from Mathura up to Dwarika and other places, the business was Vinashaya cha Dushkritam, killing. So they have got two businesses, one for pacifying the devotees and other to kill the demons. Of course, Krishna and Balarama, they are absolute truth. There is no difference between killing and loving. They absolute. Those who were killed, you know, they were also delivered from this material bondage. Now these same two brothers have again descended as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Suhaidatu Sahauditao. Simultaneously they have appeared, not that one is appeared, another is not there. No, both of them. Sahoditao. So this is the meaning of Sahoditao. Not that one has been appeared, they both have been appeared together, not simultaneously. They are compared with the sun and moon. The business of sun and moon is to dissipate darkness. The sun rises during daytime and the moon rises at night. But this sun and moon, wonderful sun and moon, Chitrao, they have appeared together, but the business is same. Tamu Nudao, business is to dissipate darkness. Because we are in darkness, anyone who is in this material world, he is in darkness. Darkness means ignorant, no knowledge. They are mostly animals. Why they are animals? So civilized men, so well dressed and university education degrees. Why they are in darkness? Why they are in darkness? Can someone tell me? I am questioning you. Yes, they are in darkness. What is the proof? The proof is that they are not Krishna conscious. That is the proof. This is the proof, that is their darkness. Asked anybody item by item, that asks what do they do, what do they know about Krishna? Everyone is ignorant, dark. So that is the proof. How this is proof? Now Krishna says, we do not say, Krishna says. How does he say? नामाम दुष्कृतिनो मूढ़ा प्रपदन्ते नराधमा maya aprit jnana. Aprit jnana means that although they have got university degrees, although they are called civilized, advanced in material civilization, but maya aprit jnana, their degrees, because they do not know Krishna thoroughly and therefore do not surrender to Krishna, which Krishna is canvassing personally. These things Krishna is canvassing personally. What does he say? Sarv dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braj. He is personally canvassing, because these rascals and fools, they are in darkness. They do not know what is the goal of life. Krishna is so kind that he is canvassing Sarv dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braj. This is the philosophy. So still they are not doing so. Why? Naradhama. Because the lowest of the mankind, Naradhama. How they have become Naradhama? Now Dushkritina, always committing sinful life. What is sinful life? Illicit sex, meat eating, intoxication and gambling. Because they are addicted to these things, they are Dushkritina and Naradhama, lowest of the mankind. And whatever knowledge they are acquiring by so-called education, that is false knowledge. Maya Prit Jnana, this is the position. So Shri Krishna Chaitanya and Nityananda, they came, descended again, being merciful. Same Krishna, Brajendra Nandan ye, Sachisud Hoelo say, same Krishna. In a different way they can wash the same principle. So in this material world, this is the darkness, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared to drive away this darkness. Same Krishna, the same Krishna. There is no difference between Krishna's preaching and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's preaching. There is no difference. The difference is that Krishna, as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he is demanding that you rascal, you surrender unto me. You are suffering so much, you are rascal. I am your father, I want to see you happy. Therefore I have come. Surrender unto me, I shall give you all protection. Aham tavam. Aham tvam sarvapapebhyo. You are suffering on account of your dushkriti, all sinful activities. Whatever you are doing, all sinful activities, except Krishna consciousness activities. Whatever you do, that is sinful activity. But they have been summarized into 4 principles. The whole sinful activities of the world, they have been summarized in 4 lines. No illicit sex, no meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling. This is the summary. But otherwise of these activities, there are many branches. But if you cut the root of all sinful activities, this illicit sex and gambling and meat eating, then generally automatically all other sinful activities will go. Therefore, we who are propagating Krishna consciousness movement, we are just requesting that you give up this sinful life. Otherwise, you will be implicated again. What is that implication? Implication is that your sinful life will get your next body, which is also very sinful, and again you suffer. Suffering there is suffering. There is suffering. As soon as you get material body, there is suffering. It may be a king's body or it may be a cobbler's body. It does not matter, the suffering is there. But because these people are maya prit jnana, they are accepting suffering as pleasure. This is called maya. He is suffering, but he is thinking it is a good pleasure. Just like the pig, he is eating stool and he is thinking he is enjoying life. This is called ignorant. He does not know that he is suffering. Maya has given his body to suffer, but even in the pig's body he is thinking that he is enjoying life. This is called Maya. Mohitam nabijanati mam ebhya param avyayam. This is called illusion. Everyone in this material world, they are suffering in different grades. Just like in the prison house, there are different grades of prisoners, like first grade, second grade, third grade, first class, second class, third class, you can say like that. But if the first class prisoner thinks they are enjoying life, that is ignorance. He should know that he is in the prison house. In the prison house, where is their enjoyment? It is all suffering, maybe first class suffering. But it is suffering. So they are all in the darkness. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityanand Prabhu appeared to dissipate, means tamo nudao, to dissipate this darkness of the whole human society. This is their kindness. They are, so Nityanand Prabhu being Prakasha, he is manifesting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is canvassing the same thing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is canvassing to accept Krishna consciousness. And to accept Krishna consciousness through the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu and their other assistants is easier. Therefore we see practically we have taught our disciples, means Guru Maharaj, or in Krishna conscious movement, they have taught their disciples to chant first of all the Panch Tattva. Like we also chant the Panch Tattva before chanting our mala or chanting our beads. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advait Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. So through the mercy of this Panch Tattva, easily you can approach Krishna easily. Otherwise, how it is possible? These Europeans, Americans, they did not know that what was Krishna. When Guru Maharaj Srila Prabhupada went to America, and then in a lecture they said like 4 or 5 years ago they did not know Krishna. They were unknown to Krishna. How it is that they have become a devotee of Krishna, that from India Guru Maharaj is coming from 10,000 miles, crossing over the sea, they have come here. And then these disciples, they went to India, they come over there to Mayapur. Unless they have got developed love for this, their coming is not so easy from neighboring villages, but it costs. They have spent lakhs of dollars. $1 equal to 8 rupees that time. Now I know it is like 50 or I think 60, but American dollar I think 80 rupees, something like that. So At that time it was $1 was equal to 8 rupees in 1977, something like 48 years ago. So they have come 10,000 miles, they have crossed so much distance. And how come? This is through the mercy of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Let's end today's this Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela, first chapter, second verse, till here, and then we will start next with Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela, first chapter, third verse, in our next lecture. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna's all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.